You see, women are not usually smart when it comes to Jesus.
Uyazi ukuthi abesifazana basingabahlakaniphile nakufika kuJesu.
When they go out,
Uma baphuma,
they go all out.
baphuma ngakho konke abanakho.
Jesus is busy healing people that are sick.
uJesu ubhizi uphilisa abantu abagulayo.
And this woman is a foreigner. She's a Greek.
Lo ungumGreek ungokuhamba kule ndawo.
And she knows
Uyazi
she cannot come close to a Jewish rabbi.
ukuthi angeke asondele kumfundisi womJuda.
But because it's a woman,
Ngoba wesifazane ke lo.
there's always a way to Jesus.
Ihlala ikhona indlela yokufika kuJesu. Jesus.
Now the Bible says,
Lithi iBhayibheli
this woman,
lo wesifazane
she sees Jesus healing people.
uyambona uJesu uphilisa abantu.
And she remembers that her daughter is troubled by demons.
Uyakhumbula ukuthi indodana yakhe ihlushwa amadimoni.
You know what she does?
Uyazi ukuthi wenzani?
She makes him move from the Jewish table
Uyenza ukuthi asuke lapha etafuleni labaJuda
to go into the camp of foreigners.
ukuthi aye enkanjini yezihambi.
You know how she does that?
Ukwenza njani lokhu?
She says,
Uthi ke,
Lord,
Nkosi,
my daughter is troubled by demons.
indodakazi yami ihlushwa amadimoni.
Jesus actually uses the word give it to dogs.
uJesu usebenzisa igama lokuthi sizinike izinja.
But because she knows who he is,
Ngoba kahle lo wesifazane uyamazi ukuthi uJesu
no matter
ubani.
how he calls her,
Akunandaba ukuthi umbiza
she
njani.
knows what he can do.
Uyazi ukuthi angenzani.
You know what this woman made Jesus do?
Uyazi ukuthi lo wesifazane uJesu wenza uJesu enzeni?
She made him go where he would be after his death.
Umenze ukuthi aye la azoba khona emva kokufa kwakhe
Before he died.
ngaphambi kokuthi afe. Hey.
You see, foreigners
Ihambi
were not allowed to come close to him.
bezingavumelekanga ukusondela kuJesu.
But her faith
Kodwa ukukholwa kwakhe
made him leave where he was,
kumenze wayeka la wasuka la khona
go to where he would be after he
waya
rose
la
from the dead,
azoba khona ngemva kokuvuka
and
kwabafileyo
come back from the dead
ukuthi asuke kwabafile
to come and heal her daughter.